Good morning, dear children. Let's continue our chapter, Geography, chapter 2. All of you open page number 212. Children, today we are going to discuss some important latitudes, climatic or heat zones of the earth. So let's start, children. The equator represents 0 degree of latitude. The Tropic of Cancer, 23½ degree north latitude in the northern hemisphere, is called the Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Capricorn, 23½ degree south latitude in the southern hemisphere, is called the Tropic of Capricorn. Children, see page number 213. There is a diagram is given, important of latitudes. See carefully. North Pole, then Arctic Circle 66½ degree north, then Tropic of Cancer 23½ degree north. Then between there is a one line, that is equator 0 degree. Then Tropic of Capricorn 23½ degree south. Antarctic Circle 66½ degree south. This is South Pole. Children, draw this diagram in the copy. Next we will see Arctic Circle, that is 66½ degree north latitude in the northern hemisphere, is known as the Arctic Circle. Here, this is Arctic Circle, 66½ degree north. Next, Antarctic Circle, 66½ degree south latitude in the southern hemisphere, is termed as the Antarctic Circle. See children, Antarctic Circle, 66½ degree south. These important latitudes divide the earth into various heat zones. North Pole, 90 degree north in the northern hemisphere, is called the North Pole. Children, here it is North Pole. 90 degree north in the northern hemisphere is called the North Pole. And South Pole, 90 degree south in the southern hemisphere, is known as the South Pole. See children, here it is South Pole. 90 degree south in the southern hemisphere is known as the South Pole. Next we will see climatic or heat zones of the earth. All parts of the earth do not receive equal amount of heat from the sun. Thus, they have different types of climates. On the basis of above mentioned important latitudes, the whole earth is divided into 3 heat zones. Now we will discuss one by one. Torrid zone. Torrid means hot. It is the hottest region of the earth. It lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn in both the hemispheres. The midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on all latitudes of this region, so it receives maximum heat. Next we will see temperate zone. It lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and between the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. The midday sun never shines overhead on any latitude of this region, but it experiences slanting rays of sun throughout the year. This is because the angle of sun's rays goes on decreasing towards the poles. These regions have moderate temperature. Next we will discuss frigid zone. This zone lies between the Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere and between the Antarctic Circle and South Pole in the southern hemisphere. In these areas, the sun does not rise much above the horizon and the sun rays are very slanting, so they are very cold. These are the coldest regions of the earth's surface. Children, now turn the page. Next we will discuss longitudes. What is longitudes, children? The imaginary semicircular lines running from North Pole to South Pole are called the longitudes. Children, what is longitudes? The imaginary semicircular lines running from North Pole to South Pole are called the longitudes. These are also called the meridians of longitudes. Now we will discuss the important facts. The distance between any two meridians is measured in degrees. The degrees are further divided into minutes and minutes into seconds. There are 360 degree of meridians of longitudes, 180 degree in the east and 180 degree in the west. The longitudes are semicircles. They are equal in length but not parallel. The distance between any two meridians of longitudes is not the same. It decreases steadily polewards and ultimately becomes zero at the poles where all the meridians meet. The prime meridian divides the earth in two equal halves, that is, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. The alphabet E is used to indicate the eastern longitudes and W is used to show the western longitudes. 180 degree east and 180 degree west meridians of longitudes are on the same line. Okay children, thank you.